On this video, I am sharing with you the 14 cuddliest, most affectionate dog breeds. We asked breed expert and ACK Executive Secretary Gina Di Nardo to rank the top 14 most affectionate dog breeds. Here's her list of breeds that make wonderfully cuddly canine companions. Number 1. Golden Retriever. Goldens are highly intelligent, sociable, people-oriented dogs. They're friendly and typically get along with other pets. Number 2. Labrador Retriever. Labs are friendly, sociable dogs that need lots of interaction with their family. They're versatile and willing to please. Number 3. French Bulldog. French Bulldogs are an adaptable breed. They have an affectionate nature and even disposition, and are generally active, alert, and playful. Number 4. Boxer. Though a guard dog by nature, boxers need and thrive on human companionship. They are dignified, confident dogs while also playful and affectionate with their people. Number 5. Newfoundland. The Newfoundland is a devoted companion. This breed is known for its sweet, gentle nature and is patient with children. Number 6. Soft-coated Wheaten Terrier. This sociable breed is less scrappy than other terriers. The soft-coated Wheaten Terrier is happy, friendly, and deeply devoted. Number 7. Pug. Pugs are known to be easygoing, playful, and affectionate. They're devoted to their owner. They are perceptive but can also be stubborn. Number 8. Bichon Frise. Bichons are meant to be companions. They're cheerful, playful, highly sociable dogs. Their families are very important to them, and they need to spend time with their people. Number 9. Maltese Terrier. The Maltese Terrier is gentler and less excitable than most terriers. The breed is brave, but docile and affectionate with family. Number 10. Bernese Mountain Dog. These big, powerful dogs have a sweet, affectionate nature. They're gentle and intelligent. Number 11. Toy Fox Terrier. Toy Fox Terriers have the lovability of a lapdog combined with the tenacity of a terrier. The breed has a fun personality and is alert, intelligent, and friendly. Number 12. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. The Cavalier King Charles Spaniel is a very sociable, adaptable, and willing to please breed. They're known for their cheerful nature. Number 13. English Toy Spaniel. The English Toy Spaniel was bred to be a companion. These merry little dogs are affectionate and playful with their favorite people. Number 14. English Cocker Spaniel. This merry, charming breed is upbeat in the field and mellow at home. They make wonderful household companions and have a delightful personality. Thank you for watching. Happy Paw Day and enjoy all the treats.